Wordsmiths! Welcome to the 29th Annual Wordsmith Challenge! In this action-packed competition, readers face off in 40 different events. Can they achieve their goals? And can they overcome the dreaded hyperspelling challenge, where you have to spell 4 words at the same time? Guess we'll have to see. We're highlighting 3 words in this section: competition, overcome, achieve. And then I'll go through each word and what it means, and then we'll use each of those words in an example sentence. Competition. Competition. It's a noun. It means a contest or game to see who is the best at something. Competition has that tion ending, that suffix, which turns verbs into nouns. It turns action words into things. So I can compete in the Wordsmith Challenge, and the Wordsmith Challenge is a competition. People compete for the title of Wondrous Wordsmith. Overcome. Overcome. It's a verb. It means to be successful despite facing difficulties. Very literal word origin here. There's a big hill. Oh, what a difficulty. Hup, 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 hup. Now I've come over it. The difficult part is over. You can overcome challenges, fears, suspicions. A great word. A very useful word. Finally, achieve. Achieve. Another verb. It means to do something successfully through skill or hard work. You'll also see achievement, the noun form, which means something someone has done successfully through skill or hard work. Right? We talk about achievements when we talk about goals, classic video game language too. Achievement unlocked. You've performed something successfully and gotten a little badge for it. Also, ment, M-E-N-T, this suffix, is another suffix that turns verbs into nouns, like shun, like T-I-O-N. Movement, shipment, the moving of a thing, the shipping of a thing. So achievement is the achieving of a thing. Let's look at some example sentences. The Lumberjack World Championship is a yearly competition in which athletes chop wood, saw logs, and climb up trees as fast as they can. So these lumberjacks and lumberjanes and lumberjordans are all competing in this contest to see who is the best at chopping wood, sawing logs, and speed climbing trees. They're competing in a competition. Next one. I overcame my fear and sledded down Breakneck Hill, the steepest hill in town. The thing preventing me from sledding down Breakneck Hill was my fear. But I overcame it. I successfully sledded despite facing difficulties. Fear was the thing I had to overcome. Last one. When we got off the ferry in Ketchikan, Alaska, I cheered. I had achieved my goal of visiting every U.S. state. I did it through skill or hard work, and I did it. I achieved, I completed, I successfully finished my goal. And let me tell you, it is very difficult to get to Ketchikan, Alaska from the mainland. You can take a ferry from Bellingham, Washington, or cross the border into Canada and leave from Vancouver, British Columbia, and it takes like 44 hours. So getting there is quite an achievement. And those are the words for this round of definitions. The Wordsmith Challenge continues right after this lesson. Until then, you can learn anything. David out.